Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you're having an AC issue and you are in doubt if it's the the clutch on your AC, if it's working or not, if you have a decent diagnostic machine that does bidirectional, right now it is off. I'm going to press this button and you're going to hear a click, which the air compressor is way down there. And see if I can get the clutch. There's the clutch right there. You got the top pulley that's on the very top, which is the power steering, and watch the clutch, the very bottom one that's below that big rusty thing. You'll hear it click and you'll hear it and see it actually pull in itself. And I'm going to release it. And as you can hear, so if you want to know if your clutch is working or not, let me turn it off. That's how you do that. And all you do is, as you can see, I'm in the clutch relay. That also lets you know if the clutch relay is working. So I'm actually going to pull back and you're going to see in real time what I'm doing. I'm going to press this right here. I'm going to start it right now. And you can see it's on and you heard a click. So this saves you a lot of time of probing things. If you have a electrical fan, you want to know if it works in high speeds, low speeds, and all this stuff, this saves you a lot of money. This device will actually be in the description of the video. Very inexpensive, but saves me a lot of time in the guesswork. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm on your side and whatever I can do to help you, and please leave positive comments and suggestions. Thank you.